Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a VCS haul. I'm going to do part 1 and part 2 just because I feel like breaking it up would be better. So thank you guys so much that checked in on me. After the last few videos I did where my voice was all messed up, I was feeling like totally fine. And then my ears, something started happening in my ear. I was like, you know what, I better go get this checked out because I started to get vertigo and spins really bad, like the worst I've had in a really long time. So I was like, so yesterday was like this totally hard day for me because I had to go to the doctor's office with the spins. And if you guys know what that is like, I mean, I was literally hanging on to my daughter for dear life. She had to drive me, which is scary, of course, in itself because she's still a new driver and still like learning the roads and stuff. And my doctor is not known for being fast, so I was just like, oh God, I'm gonna be here for like an hour or two. I don't know if I can hang for that long. So I had to find like a spot to like kind of like rest my head against, and I was like hanging on for dear life. It was horrible. Today I feel much better. I got good rest and the eardrops seem to be working, so I'm just gonna kind of take it slow and not overdo it with anything until like I'm fully over the ear infection and all that fun stuff and the spins. I'm not having spins too bad. I find it's a little bit better if you get up and still try to do stuff when you have the spins. Sometimes laying down is worse. So yeah, I'm gonna take it easy, but still, yeah. But thank you guys for checking in on me, whatever. Sorry, I didn't mean to say whatever like that. I was just like, let's just move into the haul and stop rambling. So this is VCS part 1, and so this time around, I feel like her site moved super fast. Like, I was like, holy crap, I've never checked out. I think I checked out in like 2 minutes or something crazy. So the sample I got is Strawberry Fields Forever, which is strawberries and cream zucchini bread. Yeah. And this is just, it reminds me of, if you've smelled, what is it? Strawberry Nonsense? Is that what it's called? From Bathing Garden. It's kind of like that, but the strawberry is not so spicy. It's a little bit more creamy. That's what it reminds me of off the top of my head. Bathing Garden. I think it's called Strawberry Nonsense, or crap. I just got it in the mail too. I got a Bathing Garden haul. So yeah, so this restock, I felt like things went really smooth. She poured some of my favorites. I'm sorry if I'm going to be kind of off today. I'm still like kind of heavily medicated, so if I sound like a little, well, when do I ever get my words correct or sound somewhat, what's the word? What am I trying to say? Comprehend? When can you ever comprehend what the hell I'm saying? I'm always all over the place. So she poured quite a few of my favorites. I went in for, actually, okay, I had 3 orders. I did 1 right off. This is what I do. I always make a list of things that I absolutely want, like absolutely have to have. That's my first order. I usually go in and make a second order just of things that I don't care if I, get cart swapped or cart jacked or whatever, but I still want them, but it's not that important. So I went ahead and I did, like, my bigger list was the second part. And my smaller list, I always do first, like the things that I really want, and then I go back in a second time. I think I was done with my second order in like under 5 minutes. And then at the very end, there was still some stuff left. Like at the end of that day, I was like, Purple Haze is still on the site. Like that's like one of my favorite scents. So I'm gonna go back in and grab a few extra things. Okay, so let's just jump into this. So the first one I got is Violet, and you guys know I love this scent. This is Violet Marshmallow Wafers. Now, a lot of people were interested in this scent this time, and I was like, and I know some of you guys watch my videos and hear me talk about this, so I hope that if you got this one, that you liked it. I always feel bad. I think I even said it on the site, on the website. I always feel bad when I post something in the group and people are like, oh my gosh, I have to get that. And I'm like, oh man, I hope they like it, because otherwise they're going to come blame me. Possibly. I know I've done that before where people are like raving about a scent and then I get it. That happened to me with Sweeney's. I thought Sweeney's was going to be like the best thing ever, and I absolutely hated Sweeney's. People raved about that one. You know, not that it's not a good scent for some people, but... So this is what it looks like. Pretty purple coin. This one is very soothing to me. I've talked about this a lot in warm reviews. That's what the coins look like on the inside. It just, to me, it's not overly floral because of the marshmallow wafers. It's more of a softer floral. And it almost, I said, I think in a warm review. Let me see if I can push this back. Dang it. Okay. I was trying to push it far back. Okay, so I think I said in some of my warm reviews that it kind of has like a baby powder note to it, but not really, not when you're warming it. It just kind of smells like it at first, but I like it. So hopefully any of you guys that picked it up like it. The next one I have is it's kind of like my, I wasn't sure about this one, Sunday Shop, Jackie O, and Surrey Cafe, which is strawberries, waffle cone, cotton candy frosting, marshmallow, birthday cake, Noel. What's CC? Cotton candy? Yeah, cotton candy and fresh picked strawberries. Is that right? Yeah. All right. Anyways, I had heard someone talking about Sunday Shop, and I can't remember who right now. This to me smells like a very creamy strawberry shake. Like a creamy strawberry milkshake. I really like it. Someone said this scent was like soothing to them. I think it was Lindsay. I think I heard Lindsay say this. That's what it looks like on the inside. Pretty pink and like kind of like a dusty rose pink in there. Yeah, it smells like a very creamy, like I would equate it to like a strawberry cake or a milky strawberry shake. I'll push that back. The next one I got is Jackie O's Cup of Joe, which is Cafe Cubano, and Jackie O, which is birthday cake, marshmallow, birthday cake, vanilla bean Noel. So this one, my friend and I were talking about this one, and we were saying that we felt like the Cafe Cubano, or the coffee scent, was a lot stronger in this one versus when we got the Dahlia. I think she did a Dahlia 4-pack of like coffee in your cup or something. So always so pretty. Nice brown color. Light tan. Yeah, I smell the coffee a lot more in this one than I do in my little one that she did in the, let's see, was it the March restock? Oh yeah, this is the 60s Customer Creations restock, by the way. Ah, dang it. Well, I really jacked that up. The camera, the camera and the coffee table are like far, like my arm is not long enough. The next one I got is Irma's Clothesline. And this one is Lavender Vanilla Clean Cotton. I remember having this in a 3-pack, the old school 3-pack that she did before she switched, and I just remember warming this one and really liking it. Now when I got it on again this time, I was like, I don't know, I'm not sure how I feel about it this time. It's very, you can smell the clean cotton, but I definitely get that lavender. I just remember liking it on warm, so maybe on cold I don't love it as much as I do on warm. I don't know, but yes. All right, let's try to see if we can nudge you back. I mean, oh my gosh, what a mess. Okay. Yeah, all right, that didn't work out. Okay, anyway, so she always includes, I always appreciate that she includes the bags for the loaves. Okay, let's go ahead and do the loaves here. So the first one that I knew was on my list right away was Purple Haze, and it says beautifulness. I love this scent. This is like one of my very first scents I ever had from VCS. This is Marshmallow Jelly Filled Zucchini Donut. There's something like really unique about this scent. I think you have to have kind of an acquired taste for this one. I hope people like this one too, because I feel like a lot of people bought this one, because I think I went in and posted, there's still Purple Haze on the site, and I think a lot of people went and bought it. know. There's something nostalgic about this for me. I don't know. It's just the way the zucchini is in here. It's not overly like jelly. Like I don't smell like any sort of jelly like strawberry or grape. It's just really smooth like zucchini bread scent. And the zucchini bread is really creamy. It's not spicy. I just love Purple Haze, especially warming too. It's really, really good. So I hope if anybody bought this that they like it. Okay, so then I grabbed Sunday Shop. I think this is part of my second order. So I wasn't that concerned about getting the actual Sunday Shop loaf. This is strawberries, waffle cone, and cotton candy frosting. I love waffle cone scents, so that's why this one kind of attracted me. So again, it's pretty much this. It smells pretty much the same as that Bombshell Blossom bag. Yeah, it's just a really smooth, like, strawberry. I don't feel, well, I sort of feel like it's fresh picked, but not as strong as like a regular fresh picked, but I don't know. It'll be nice. I don't know if it's like my favorite, but it'll be nice to warm, I think. I'm trying not to make too much noise, and now I am. Ugh. Oh, this is a cluster. Okay. Next one is Cafe Reggio and Cookie Monster. I've recently fallen in love with Cafe Reggio. So, oh, whoops, this is the one that doesn't have the sticker on it. Somehow I accidentally grabbed two of these. I was in such a big hurry to get the stuff in the cart, I accidentally clicked on this one twice. This is Cafe Mocha Marshmallow, sugar cookie dough, buttercream frosting, and sugar milk. So this one to me, when I first got it, I could really smell that Cafe Reggio pretty strong. But now I'm smelling more of the Cookie Monster, which I feel like is really strong on the sugar milk. I don't know. I kind of smell Cafe Reggio now too. I don't know. This one I do really like, and I think I will like it once it cures a little bit more. Sugar milk is kind of a new scent for me. So yeah, we'll see about that. Okay, the next one, and this is another one, Cookie Monster's Milk Glass. I don't know what it is about her milk glass scent, but I am just obsessed. So it is sugar cookie dough, buttercream frosting, sugar milk, wild berry cake batter is milk glass. Ah, this one just smells so good to me. I love, of course, it always sparkle galore. Oh, I am in love with her wild berry sugar milk cake batter. Wait, is it wild berry cake batter? I thought it had sugar milk in it. Oh hell. I'm pretty sure it does. I think I wrote that down wrong. Okay, whatever. I'll double check later. Oh, that just smells so good. Maybe it's from the Cookie Monster is what I'm smelling. I don't know. I told you, my head is all messed up. So that will be great. Okay, and then I grabbed a Jumbo Heart in Cream Cheese Cookie Monster. I was all about the cream cheese scents this time. This is cream cheese, cotton candy, well, let me start over. Cream cheese frosting, sugar cookie dough, buttercream frosting, and sugar milk. I feel like Cookie Monster is a long-winded description. This smells really good. Cream cheese frosting is one of those like blender type scents. Just whenever you mix it with anything, it just makes it sweet. I really like it. I feel like you pick up the Cookie Monster, but that cream cheese frosting really comes through on the top too. So that's a big Jumbo Heart there. Pretty big. All right, and my 4-packs were Here Comes the Sun, which I wasn't even interested in, but my friend Candy kept talking about it, so I was like, screw it. Rainbow Sherbet, Blackberry Saltwater Taffy. And of course, the coins in here are just really pretty. Whoa. That one's really strong on the sherbet. This smells just like the ice cream my mom used to serve me when I was like sick. She would always buy rainbow sherbet. Yeah, I feel like it's really fruity. It smells just like rainbow sherbet ice cream. To me, anyway. There's that. And then leader of the pack, which is yellow cake, vanilla, custard, cotton candy frosting, and fresh picked strawberries. I always feel like Kirby does a lot of strawberries. I always feel like whenever I look at the site, there's always strawberries on there. Something always has strawberries. Yeah, this is just like a fresh picked strawberry scent, you know, mixed with other things, like a cake or whatever. Al Capone, I absolutely love Al Capone now. This is strawberry mango ginger ale. I had this in another 4-pack when I saw it was in 4-packs again. Oh, that is so, so good. Ginger ale comes through really nice and strong, and that strawberry mango is such a good scent. I love Al Capone. Wish I would have grabbed doubles of that one, but whatever. Kissing You, I missed last go round and I really wanted it. Strawberry shortcake, strawberries and cream, and whipped cream. That's pretty heavy on the strawberry. It almost smells like a fresh picked strawberry in there. That's what I mostly get. So maybe a little bit of cure time will help that out. Okay, so that's part 1. I'll be back with part 2. I felt like I rambled a lot, but I'll be back with part 2 and I'll see you guys there. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.